It's the Texas weather discussion video for Tuesday, the 20th of February. I'm Donovan Neal. Our next batch of rain will come through here during the afternoon and evening hours today. But we're still not done with our morning batch. We'll talk more about this. Let's take a look at the upper air pattern here. Highly amplified pattern here. We have troughing in the northeastern states, and we have ridging to the east near in the Atlantic, which is creating a funnel for moisture to feed in from the Pacific. And down here, this is the radar. Early this morning, we still have a few showers and we still have that batch of showers and thunderstorms moving through here early this morning from the southwest. We still, and that's continuing to move on to the northeast. Most of that affected us during the pre-dawn hours, but we still could see a few showers from the backside of it. So, still plan on for a wet commute. Temperatures are early this morning are still pretty mild, mostly in the 60s, 70s to the east of DFW. Across the nation, we have the contrast between winter and spring. Winter in Montana, where they're in the negative teens, and spring down here where we're at, where we're facing temperatures in the 70s. And I think we stay in the mid 70s for a good chunk of the day today. We should warm very little. We shouldn't be in the 70s. We shouldn't be in the 80s today. Across the watch warning map, we still have some winter weather advisories. We still have winter weather advisories stretching from New Mexico all the way through the Great Lakes, and down here we still have that flood advisory that's been issued until midnight on Wednesday. Otherwise, things are pretty quiet, though we don't have any severe weather concerns anymore. Maybe some thunder for a good chunk of Texas up into Ohio. Otherwise, no organized severe weather is expected. Same thing on day 2 and on day 3. But we do know on day 5, which is Saturday, we have a risk for severe weather to the east of Dallas. It includes East Texas into the lower Mississippi Valley. But that's to the east of Dallas, and it should stay to the east of us. This is the average rainfall for the next 7 days. Again, the bullseye is really in the Ark-La-Tex area, from northeast Texas all the way towards the Ark-La-Tex area, and down here we still could see about 5. We could see anywhere from 5 to 7 inches of rain here in North Texas, but really the bullseye stays in the Ark-La-Tex area with amounts nearing 8 to even 9 inches in some places. Wow. But again, most of the bullseye areas will stay to the east of us. So let's go out to the model output, talk more about this. This is the GFS. This is the O6Z run developed today at noon. We have the we have a highly amplified pattern here in the United States. We have a big ridge in the east, and we have a big cold trough in the west. And as a result, we still have to deal with the threat for heavy rain and some showers and storms throughout the day today. We do get a break between the rain during now and this afternoon, but this afternoon rain becomes widespread once again, and that'll bring our round 2 of numerous showers and thunderstorms. Again, this will be more of a heavy rain threat rather than a thunderstorm or a severe thunderstorm threat. So you don't have to worry about any severe weather with this one. And by Wednesday at midnight, rain becomes more scattered. Rain becomes more scattered and not so widespread, but rain becomes more scattered. So definitely rain at times during the overnight hours, but it won't rain all night. And during the early morning hours when you're getting ready for work in school, most of the rain continues to stay widespread. But do note that there's a potential for freezing rain to the east for our western counties, for our north and western counties here in North Texas. But if we go to noon, we do get a break between the rain in the immediate DFW area, but rain and sleet becomes more likely to the northeast of us, near the Wichita Falls area, and points and areas to the east of us, areas to the west of us. Some of that could slip into the DFW metro, but we'll just have to. But again, too many uncertainties. But we'll definitely mention the chance for freezing rain and sleet, mainly for our western counties. Now this is Thursday. Rain continues to be widespread during the afternoon and evening hours on and Thursday. Again, it won't rain all day, but definitely rain at times. And by Friday afternoon, we do deal with another batch of widespread rain. Now take a look at the accumulated precipitation coming off of the high-res NAM. Now the NAM shows that we could see that some places in North Texas, most places could see 2 to 3 inches of rain, with 2 to 4 inches of rain with locally higher amounts, maybe 5 to 6 inches of rain, which will be good because that will be drought suppressing rainfall totals, and that's good because we need that desperately. And let's just keep going here. This is the weekend. As the weekend begins, a surface low develops near Dodge City, Kansas, and that means, and a surface front comes through here, and that usually symbolizes that we could see more scattered showers and thunderstorms. Obviously, it won't rain all day, but certainly rain at times. And by Sunday, we do have a mix of sun and clouds. Rain pushes through our area. We do have a mix of sun and clouds. We remain dry with highs in the low 60s on Sunday. And let's just keep going here. This is Monday of next week. Monday we still stay dry. We still could see a lingering shower here and there, but we generally stay dry with highs in the mid to upper 60s. Here's a week from today. Here's a week from today, Tuesday, the 28th of February, the last day of February. We still have a cold trough in the western states, but we still have moisture feeding in from the Gulf, and that could set off a few showers. That could still set off a few showers and storms later in the day on Tuesday and even into Wednesday. Here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. On Friday, March 2nd, we still have a cold trough, but we still remain dry, and most of the rain stays in the southeast United States. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days, this will be the only mild day that we have this week. Then a cold front comes through by Wednesday, and we should be in the 40s. And after we gradually warm, we should, for the end of February into early March, we should be just about seasonably average for this time of the year. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll have more notes in the blog. The next video here should be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.